Good morning, students. Under subject of fabric ornamentation and accessory design, the fourth module is best of waste. Now, best of waste, all of you uh, might have heard about it. You can create a beautiful articles out of waste material, and in this topic you will have to make the articles of the uh, disposed textile materials, means discarded textile materials. So in this fashion era, the importance is given to recycling and upcycling nowadays. And upcycling means whatever the discarded fabrics are there, you can reuse it. So which is helpful to save the environment, also to keep the environment eco-friendly. So upcycling is very important. So under this best of waste, you can learn about upcycling of the fabrics. So every year we give one article to the students to prepare from the discarded material. So last to last year, our students, they have made 80 frocks for small children, and they made these frocks from the discarded saris. You can see the beautiful patterns they have made with the saris. Borders and pallu is utilized in the yoke. You can see the border of the sari is attached this way. So these are the various patterns, beautiful patterns they have created, and the students have made 80 frocks, and we have donated those frocks to Chikhalwadi Tribal School. That is the extension activity of our department. So this is very useful, recycle, upcycle frocks, you can say, made from the discarded saris. Then 1 year the students, they have made, when the Kumbh Mela was there in Nasik, that time students made 1000 bags, cloth bags out of discarded saris. You can see this way, of variety of shapes and variety of samples they have prepared, and we have donated those cloth bags to the nodal officer of Kumbh Mela of Nasik district. So this is the another best of waste article. Last year students made these pouches out of the discarded denim fabrics. So nowadays the denim is very much used by us, and the waste is also available. So by using various techniques, here the wool flowers, here the painting is there. So different surface ornamentation techniques you can uh, use on these pouches. This is pearls. Then last year our students, they have prepared godadis. So godadi, you know, it's a very traditional winter wear of Maharashtra. So generally the number of discarded saris, they are placed on top of each other, and they are just tucked, the layers are tucked with the running stitch first this way crosswise, and then you can make a beautiful design by using the running stitches, close running stitches you can take, and you can take the horizontal, vertical, diagonal lines, and the design can be made. You can see this way, if the sari is having border, see this type of design can be made. Square she has made. This is the, and you can also put the lining of discarded sari only. This pattern is different. You can take this type of horizontal, vertical stitches so that the pattern automatically creates. This is also the sample of godadi.